Time now for the skinny, and topping our celebrity headlines this morning, Justin Bieber's plea deal.
The troubled 20-year-old pleaded no contest to a vandalism charge, and get this, he must pay nearly $81,000 restitution for the damage he caused to his neighbor's California mansion. And remember, he caused this damage by egging his house.
$84,000, really?
That's right. Let that be a lesson to kids, I guess.
Don't throw eggs. Bieber must also complete a 12 weekly anger management sessions and work 5 days of community service. His drunken driving charge in Miami is still pending.
All right, next, gearing up for another cat fight. Elizabeth Hasselbeck gunning for Rosie O'Donnell.
Oh, who knew? The Fox News host and former co-host of The View says she was hardly surprised about O'Donnell's comeback announcement. But Hasselbeck had some choice words for O'Donnell, saying, quote, "She spit in the face of our military and spit in the face of our own network." Ooh. It's not the first time the two have sparred.
Do not call me a coward, Rosie. I did not hide. It was not cowardly. It was honest. What is cowardly?
Is there no commercial in the show?
I'll tell you what's cowardly. No. Asking a rhetorical question that you never answer yourself. That is cowardly.
Directing the show. Let's go to commercial.
Ooh, that was I remember that.
Oh, man.
Well, a source close to The View tells The Hollywood Reporter they're actually surprised by Hasselbeck's comments, and she and O'Donnell actually interacted well on the set of Barbara Walters' farewell show.
Yeah. Wow.
But they're two strong women.
I watched that again because you got to watch that like once a year just to relive the moment. I tell you, they just went at it, and Rosie O'Donnell's point was, you didn't defend me when people were attacking me. And it's interesting that Elizabeth Hasselbeck is now saying, yeah, she said things that were spitting in the face of our military and others.
But
so
people here just don't get it, is what the Hollywood Reporter is saying, that they played nicely at the farewell.
Maybe the operative word there is play.
Oh.
Wouldn't it be interesting if Rosie O'Donnell invited Elizabeth Hasselbeck back on the show?
That would be good TV. Oh, that would be good TV.
I'd watch.
Look at you. Are you producing the show?
I know. Hey, look. Listen up, guys.
Breaking news.
Right. And
we have some celebrity birthday glad tidings.
That's right. Ryan Gosling, girlfriend Eva Mendes are reportedly expecting. The two are notoriously private about their relationship, which started back in November 2011.
Yep. The couple met on the set of 2012 drama The Place Beyond the Pines. Their baby is reportedly due in 2 months. So birthday is celebrated in 2 months, and God, it's going to be gorgeous.
That's
that
right.
baby will be stunning.
I know. And now, not that baby right there is not the baby.
No,
but now some more happy baby news. Robert Downey Jr., he's got some good news.
Yeah, the 49-year-old actor tweeted yesterday that he and his wife, Susan Downey, are expecting their second child and their first daughter. Downey also has a 20-year-old son, Indigo, from his first marriage to Deborah Faulkner. And finally, across the pond, we can't get enough of Prince William, especially Prince William in a wetsuit, just because.
Well, not really. There is a good reason for it. His royal buffness donned the wetsuit at the Oasis Sports Centre in London yesterday to announce his takeover as president of the British Sub-Aqua Club from his father, Prince Charles.
Well, that's fascinating.